Are you looking to build a reliable gaming PC without breaking the bank? In this video, we'll be showing you how to build a powerful gaming PC for just $900, capable of handling any game at 1080p, and can even go on some 1440p games, and it's also pretty capable as an editing machine. And before we start, keep in mind that the prices fluctuate, and you may end up paying more or less for your build, so check the links in the description for price updates. First up, we have the Gigabyte B660M Aorus Pro AX motherboard. It features support for the latest Intel processors and has 4 DIMM slots that can support up to 128 GB of DDR4 memory. Additionally, it has built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. It's a solid value to start our build, which is both versatile and future-proof. We've paired the motherboard with the Intel Core i5-12600KF CPU, which boasts a base clock speed of 3.9 GHz and can turbo boost up to 4.9 GHz for exceptional gaming performance. To keep things cool, we've added the ID Cooling SE914XT ARGB CPU cooler, which not only looks great but also provides excellent cooling performance. For memory, we've gone with two 8GB sticks of Kingston Fury Beast RGB. It's a DDR4 clocked at 3600 MHz, a reliable and fast option for gaming and other demanding applications. It features a sleek design with RGB lighting, adding a touch of style to our build. For storage, we have the Samsung 970 EVO Plus 1TB SSD, which is one of the greatest value SSDs in the market. It provides lightning-fast read and write speeds, making it an excellent choice for storing your games and files. The Zotac Twin Edge GeForce RTX 3050 is a powerful graphics card that can handle even the most demanding games at 1080p. It features 8GB of GDDR6 memory and has a boost clock speed of up to 1740 MHz. It comes in a sleek dual-fan design, ensuring a quiet and reliable gaming experience. To house all of these components, we've chosen the Asus Spectra ATX case. This case features a sleek design and provides plenty of room for all of your components, allowing you to show off your build, and has support for up to 6 120mm fans. And if you think that this design is too much for you, I will put some other choices that are compatible with the components that we've chosen in the description below. And finally, to power everything, we have the Corsair CX650M power supply, which is a reliable option for powering all of your components. It features 80+ bronze efficiency and has a semi-modular design, making cable management a breeze. And with 650 watts of power, it offers a decent margin for future upgrades. Overall, this $900 gaming PC build is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance gaming PC without breaking the bank. With its powerful components and stylish design, it's sure to provide an exceptional gaming experience for years to come. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.